today I am going to explain exercise 29. So, but you are very new for the divisibility rules of the digits. Okay, in coming exercises, so the repeatedly occurs in the exercises. Okay, see divisibility rule by 4. So, if you are no need to find that division, no need to do the division, you have to check is it by using the divisibility rules whether the number is divisible by or not. So here divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4. Number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. If its last two digits are divisible by 4, okay na? A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. See here the first question in that exercise. Are the following numbers divisible by 4? Numbers divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Right, yes or no? Right, yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. See, the given here first number is 8300. No need to do with the division with 4. So divisible means where the remainder to a 0, then that number is divisible by that one. So here they are asking to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. So the property for the divisibility rule by 4 is the last two places is divisible by 4. Here 0, 0 are the last two digits. 4 and you know very well that 0 is divisible by every number. So 4 zeros. Here no remainder to get. So it is divisible by 4, yes. See the second one. 7214. 7214. So 14 divide with 4 now. 4 3s are 1. Remainder is 2. So no, it is not divisible by 4 because 14 is not divisible by 4. To get remainder is 2. Divisible means to get remainder is 0. So it is not divisible by 4. See the next third one. 964. 964. Here the last two digits are 64. Divide 64 with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. See the next problem, fourth problem. 1238. 1238. Already you know very well in fourth table. Okay, na? 38 is not in the fourth table. 36 is there, but 38 is not there in the fourth table. So it is not divisible by 4. Once you have to check. Divide this with 4. 4 9s are 36 to get remainder is 2. See the fifth problem. 7948. 7948. Here last two digits are 48. So divide 48 with 4. So 4 ones are 4. Drop 8. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 0. So yes, the total number is divisible by 4. So this is the method to check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. See, observe, if you want to check with the division method, we have to do total number with 4. It takes time. 4 ones are 4. 4 9s are 36. 3 34. 4 8s are 32. 2 8 drop. 4 7s are 28. Remainder 0. Yes, it is divisible by 4. But it is easy to check to apply that rule. Okay, the divisibility rule by 4. The divisibility rule by 4 is Divisibility rule by 4 is last two digits is divisible by 4. See the next Roman here, the divisibility will be given as a 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Okay na? Otherwise you have to do the long process. So you are grown up, so you have to use applications for that rules. Okay na? See here the first next one they are asking fill in with the smallest missing digit. Smallest missing digit. Smallest missing digit. Smallest missing digit so that the number is divisible by 9. Okay na? See here some place holder they given here, they are asking to fill that space holder with the digit now. Okay na? So the total number is divisible by 9. See already you know the divisibility rule by 9, sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Add 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 9. How much it is? 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Okay. So which number comes after 22? It is divisible by 9. 9 table you have to read 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 19, 9 3s are 27. The come after the number 22 is 27. It is divisible by 9. So how much you should add here to get it is a 27? 5. So the missing digit is 5. Okay, now the missing digit is 5. Go for the second one. 4 bar 7 7. 4 plus 7 plus 7 it is 18. Okay, now it is 18. Read the 9 table. 9 1s 9, 9 2s 18. So it is divisible by 9. No digit is add to this 18. So no one is nothing but 0. We have to fill this box with 0. See the third one. 9 8 box. 9 plus 8. Add this digit 17. So which number comes after 17? It is divisible by 9. 18. So how much you should add to 17? It become as 18. 1. 17 plus 1 is 18. So you have to fill this with 1. You have to fill this with 1. See the next number. Fourth one. 7 8 9 5 box. 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 5. Add it 15, 20, 29. Okay, now 29. So the number comes after 29 it is divisible by 9. We have to read that 9 table. 9 is 27. 9 4s are 36. So after number 29 after number is 36, the divisible by 9. How much you should add to 29 to get as 36? To get as 36 you have to add 7. Okay na? So the missing digit is 7. Missing digit is 7. That is the method to fill the box missing digit. See the last problem in this exercise. 3 box 5 6. See 3 plus 5 plus 6 it is 14. Okay na? Which number comes after 14? It is divisible by 9. 18. So how much you should add to 14 to it become as 18? 4. So you have to fill this with 4. So you have to do like that. Okay. Okay, bye children. Today's class completed.